right at the bottom of the White Castle. I guess we got a white pagoda over there. I have no idea what all this means. But they're in there praying, probably don't want me. Certainly no pictures because this is real. What do they call him? He's not a monk. We're just driving down typical outside of town, about an hour.
Turn right. Turn right.
Right.
Left.
Left. Ha! Alright. Right means left, left means right. I gotta pull over. Well, now we're on Route 1269 and we're on a real road. Just pretty authentic here, I would say. Not a tourist trap. I find a mango shake, I'll stop. Is that a mango shake? No mango shake for me. Oh. No mangoes. There's mangoes. They're making shakes? No? No shake.
No shake.
Alright, we're off. King in the 14th century started building this to bury the ashes of his father. But 10 years later, it still wasn't done. And then the new king dies, and his wife finishes it. Well, this isn't the one. In 1550, there was 3 temples here. And it's finally completed. Maybe not to the way it looks today. But in 1900s, we had an earthquake and caused great damage. The Japanese, if you can believe that, rebuilt it. I don't know what they meant, so I probably shouldn't even say. They rebuilt it, but they said in Thai figure and not Lumna figure. Anyway. Looks like a long climb up in real weather. Pretty nice complex, as you can see. Can't read. Quite large. They live here, the Buddhist monks. And they're going in to pray here, and they go in to pray there, and they go in to pray there. I don't understand. Oh, we got a person in there? It's pretty much people praying in everyone. The reclining Buddha is built before 1500, right after 1500, and they brought him here in 1955. So he's kind of an old statue. The monks actually live here. There's all kinds of dorms. Got a few heads there. And here is it was made turquoise jade. I can't remember the name. See, it didn't all fall in. During the earthquake, you can see the brick is exposed. Up there was not exposed. And it looks like it had great designs on it. It doesn't look like you can see a thing. But they just don't have enough English here. For me to understand. They left those stairs. I'm gonna tell you what, if I could walk up, I wouldn't do it. I'm so hot. Quite a complex, though. Now there is how we make real concrete. Oh my, a lot of work. Add water. I am so high. Cool though. Did you see him making concrete? Oh my.